Okay, it is March 16th, and we are in month 7 of the camper renovation.
Specify that it's the 7th month. We've had a lot going on in between.
It hurts.
So it wasn't like it was a full 7 months. I mean, it's only been like really 2, maybe 3.
Or 6.
No.
Yes. Our lack of motivation, that's something else.
A lot of that is me. It's been a struggle.
It has. So, yesterday, what did you work on yesterday?
So I'd gotten one of the other pads poured a few weeks ago. So got the trailer jacked up on this side and it put into place to get the wheels up off the ground, and that way I can have a little bit more access to switching out, pushing out all the bearings and seals and everything. And so it's a little more level, especially for the working on the inside, because it's just kind of a pain to work on things that keep rolling off otherwise.
Okay. And what else did you do yesterday?
Did a lot of work up on the roof. It's not easy for you to get up there.
Yeah, it is. I can go right up. Lupa can't climb, but oh. All right. Oh. I can already see the air conditioner's looking better.
So yeah, getting that kind of cleaned up, de-rusting some things there, and you know that it runs. I don't know how well it runs, but it at least runs, so it'll last us for a little while. Eventually we'll maybe get a new one. Finished up a little bit more the seal work from the vents and the old antenna that we don't really need anymore.
Because it was only a radio antenna,
It was an old TV antenna. And so we'll do one more coat here. Scraped all of this down, got it all cleaned up, and then resealed this one. I'll also work on that one, the 2 vents, and then the skylight in the back. Slowly moving back that way.
Awesome. It's looking so much better.
That's good.
And then we've got the coating to do coat the whole.
Yeah, and then we'll recoat the entire EPDM liner rooftop.
Yeah, I think that's gonna seal it in nicer, and
then got all this cleaned up around here, bleached out, scrubbed down, and then it's resealed. These that we had I forget what kind of tape it is, had taped all the way around, then I sealed all of this here. Cleaned up, bleached, sealed all the seals, the 3 seals here.
Awesome.
And same on this one here and this one here.
Awesome.
So still have this window, the other 2 windows on the other side. But yeah, we're just
the stuff on the roof and then the lights, but she's getting dried in.
slowly, fully dried in.
And something else I did yesterday when we moved a lot of these tools out here, that cleaned this up a little bit in here. I know you can't tell it. I mean, but seriously, I did clean this up, sort of. Anyway, it's getting there. And he also sealed in.
Got to seal all the way around this, so I had to tape it down to get it
tight
in place. I think it held okay.
And then we're going to have to put the hinges on that and the stays so that we have our little desk there. We still haven't done that either. I know, we were working on that a month ago. Jeez, God help us. Always an adventure?
Always an adventure.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.